So hello, so I'm the artist in residence this year here at EGU, and I've done 3 collaborative pieces, and you're welcome to come and participate. Yes, so I set up 3 participatory pieces for this conference particular, and people is coming and taking a pin and finding themselves in the sea of concepts. So this is actually a network built with the titles of the abstracts submitted here, and this is how it looks. The whole point is to think that the science is not divided, but that it kind of converges. So that's the art. I have another one here where I make people think if they have a criteria for art, what's art and what's not. And so they've been labeling art as red and not art as blue. And it's interesting to see, how it goes at the end of the conference. And this is the most difficult one. The last one is about uncertainty. And how can you interpret uncertainty as metaphorically as fog? And then I have, when they finish and they find themselves, where are you? And then you are here, and they can label themselves like this.